Past few days. First of all, let's talk about the opening of schools. Health officials have said that for the most part, the opening of schools should be encouraged. They've said that over the past month or so. Dr. Fauci himself has suggested as much. The Biden administration catching flack for dragging their feet. And a lot of people are now suggesting that they are more interested in following the dictates of leaders of teachers unions than what health officials say. And then they trotted out some one day a week, 3 students 1 day a week in a city of 15 million or something. I exaggerate, of course, but it's certainly what Jen Psaki trotted out a couple of days ago, a far stretch from what Joe Biden promised, and a hell of a distance from what American parents want now, especially, let me say it again, with health officials saying children need to be back in school. Are they going to listen to the teachers unions, or are they going to listen to health officials?
Joe, it's nearly a unanimous opinion from health officials that schools have not been particularly high sources of transmission, that they have been safe places for adequate ventilation and social distancing, that schools have been safe. And so many American parents, of course, want their children to be back there. The Biden administration has caught some real criticism on this, that they seem to be not living up to the goals that President Biden first set out. And yes, Press Secretary Psaki suggested that 1 day a week, that would, first of all, the sheer number of schools that they're talking about narrowed, that it would be the younger kids as opposed to the older kids, and that alienated some parents. And then that 1 day a week for a certain percentage of students would be enough to hit their threshold. She walked this back a little bit yesterday. She said they're still pressing forward. She acknowledged that they want, this is still a major centerpiece of their plan, but it does seem like right now that they are behind on that. And that's something that they have taken criticism for, as we see schools like cities like Chicago and Philadelphia have real issues. And there's a sense that they're being reluctant to challenge the teachers unions to put their teachers back in classrooms.